I'm HVAC repair guy. I'm a former Navy nuclear electrical operator with over 17 years of hands-on heating and cooling experience in the field. Today we are looking closely at how two different brands approach residential comfort systems so you can make a smart, practical buying decision for your home. We are tracking down the exact differences between the ACiQ H4H7T and the Frigidaire FSH4BF. When you look at these two outdoor cabinets side by side, the physical differences start right at the exterior shell. The ACiQ unit uses a wire guard design to surround its outdoor coil, leaving the fins a bit more exposed to the elements. The Frigidaire unit comes wrapped in a heavy-duty louvered steel panel. That steel casing provides solid protection if hailstorms roll through, or if a lawnmower kicks up rocks right next to the equipment pad. Both of these systems feature a 2-speed compressor designed to drop down to a lower stage when demand is light. However, neither model utilizes a variable speed or 2-speed condenser fan. Looking at the efficiency ratings, both models deliver an identical heating seasonal performance factor of 8.1. Both systems will pull the exact same amount of power through your electrical panel, meaning you can expect matching utility bills at the end of the month, regardless of which unit is outside. ACiQ is a value-focused brand built in Mexico by International Comfort Products, which is a subsidiary of Carrier. Frigidaire equipment is built by Nortec Global HVAC, a manufacturer that is now a part of Rheem Manufacturing. And they assemble this particular line in Mexico as well. When you get down to the actual installation costs, the price gap becomes very clear. For the ACiQ system, the average equipment price is $3,200, and the average installed price with a fresh indoor air handler and refrigerant lines comes out to $7,900. The Frigidaire equipment costs significantly more, averaging $5,400 for the hardware, with an average installed price of $11,500 after the installation crew finishes the job. If a major component fails inside the cabinet, the manufacturer warranties look nearly identical. ACiQ gives you a 10-year compressor warranty, a 10-year parts warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty. Frigidaire matches this identically with a 10-year compressor warranty, a 10-year parts warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty. If either compressor fails within the first decade, the manufacturer swaps out the entire outdoor heat pump unit rather than just replacing the compressor itself. If I had to put my name on one of these installs, it would be the ACiQ H4H7T. You get the exact same 2-speed compressor staging, an identical matching winter efficiency rating, and the exact same 10-year unit replacement warranty for thousands of dollars less than the competition. That is long-term ownership value you can actually feel on your utility bill. Shop like a pro.